I just discovered this incredible new YouTube channel, and the results are honestly amazing. The creator uploaded only a few videos, quickly got monetized, and is now earning thousands of dollars every single month, simply from the massive number of views. The secret is surprisingly simple. They use the same adorable tiny character consistently in different fun and creative situations. There's no need for complicated editing, expensive software, or difficult animation skills. The videos are simple to make, highly engaging, and people love watching them. The best part? You can create this type of content completely free using AI tools. With just a little creativity and consistency, you can build a channel that has the potential to generate thousands of dollars in monthly income. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and paste in our Tiny Forest Spirit Girl. Master prompt. I know one of the biggest challenges for beginners is writing a good prompt. Most people don't know what details to include or how to keep the character consistent across every scene. But don't worry, I've already done all the hard work for you. I've created a complete, ready-to-use prompt that generates 10 cinematic image prompts and 10 matching video prompts featuring the same adorable tiny forest spirit girl, all in a beautiful magical forest world. Your job is incredibly simple. Just copy the prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. And before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep sharing more free AI tutorials like this. Now here's the exciting part. As soon as you paste this prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate a complete viral content pack with consistent character design, cozy daily life scenes, detailed cinematic image prompts, and perfectly matching animation prompts. Every scene keeps the same character, the same outfit, the same magical forest environment, and the same Pixar quality style, making your videos look professional and highly consistent. This style of cozy fantasy content is becoming incredibly popular because viewers love cute, relaxing, and visually satisfying videos. But here's something most creators overlook. If your prompt isn't detailed enough, your character will change from scene to scene. The face, outfit, colors, and even the environment will become inconsistent, making your videos look unprofessional. Now, let's move over to manus.im. Before we get started, I want to make one thing clear. This is not a paid collaboration or sponsored promotion. I'm simply sharing this tool because I've personally tested it, and the results genuinely impressed me. First, sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, take the 10 image prompts that ChatGPT generated and paste them into manus.im. Don't paste everything at once. Simply copy and paste each prompt one by one. There's no need to wait after each submission. Just keep pasting until all 10 prompts have been added. Now comes the easiest part. You don't have to adjust complicated settings or spend hours designing images manually. Simply let manus.im process your prompts. Within just a minute or two, the AI will automatically generate every scene for you. When I saw the final results, my first reaction was honestly, wow. The quality was incredible. Every tiny forest spirit girl looked exactly the way we wanted. The face remained consistent, the outfit stayed the same, and the magical forest environment looked stunning across every single image. The lighting was beautifully cinematic. The colors were rich and vibrant. The oversized mushrooms and glowing berries looked magical, and the cozy fantasy atmosphere felt like scenes from a Pixar or Disney animated movie. What impressed me the most was the character consistency. As you know, one of the biggest challenges with AI image generation is keeping the same character throughout multiple scenes. Usually, the face changes, the hairstyle looks different, or the outfit suddenly changes. But Manus.im did an excellent job of maintaining the same tiny forest spirit girl throughout the entire series, making every image feel like part of one continuous animated story. And the best part? You can achieve all of this completely free, which is honestly unbelievable, considering the level of quality you're getting. The entire workflow is incredibly simple. You don't need graphic design experience, drawing skills, or complicated editing software. Just generate the prompts with ChatGPT, paste them into Manus, wait a few minutes, and your complete collection of cinematic, high-quality fantasy images will be ready. If you're planning to create cozy AI story videos, magical fantasy animations, or viral tiny forest spirit content, this is easily one of the simplest and most effective workflows I've found. All right, everyone, now it's time to bring our tiny forest spirit girl to life. I'll leave the website link in the description. The platform is called Google Vids. It offers many powerful AI features, but today we're focusing on one thing: turning our beautiful images into smooth, cinematic AI videos. This is one of the most exciting parts of the entire workflow. Using Google's VEO model, you can transform static images into stunning animated scenes, with realistic motion, cinematic lighting, and incredibly smooth camera movement. The results honestly look like scenes from a high-quality animated movie. First, open Google Vids and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside, click on the Animate an Image option. Now upload the first image you created in manus.im. After that, copy the matching video prompt that ChatGPT. Step is extremely important. Always make sure the image and the video prompt belong to the same scene. That way, the animation matches perfectly, and your story stays consistent from beginning to end. Now, click Generate and let the AI do its magic. Within a short time, your tiny forest spirit girl comes to life. Her movements feel natural. The leaves gently sway in the wind. Glowing particles float through the magical forest. The lighting looks cinematic, and the slow camera movement makes every scene feel peaceful and immersive. The quality is honestly incredible. It doesn't look like cheap AI animation. Instead, it feels like a professional Pixar-style fantasy film. Once Scene 1 is finished, download the video and repeat the exact same process for Scene 2. Upload the second image, paste the second video prompt, click Generate, download the result, and continue the same workflow for Scene 3, Scene 4, all the way through Scene 10. Because every image and every prompt follows the same character design, outfit, facial features, and magical forest environment, your final video feels like one complete animated story instead of random disconnected clips. That's exactly what makes this workflow so powerful. You don't need animation experience, complicated software, or manual editing. The AI handles almost everything for you. After generating all 10 scenes, simply import them into your favorite video editor. Arrange them in the correct order, add your voiceover, background music, and a few smooth transitions. In just a short time, you'll have a beautiful cinematic fantasy video ready to upload. This cozy fantasy storytelling style is becoming more popular every day because viewers love relaxing visuals, adorable characters, and magical worlds. If you stay consistent and keep uploading high-quality content like this, you have a great opportunity to build a successful AI storytelling channel. So go ahead, follow every step, create your own tiny forest spirit adventure, and bring your magical story to life. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more powerful AI workflows. Let's create something amazing together.